5-second rule?
Dog rule. If we had a dog. I'm a mess, Alex.
You're not a mess. You're a mother making breakfast on a Saturday.
Elena is coming today. She hasn't seen me in 6 years. Last time she saw me, I was plating foie gras in Paris. Now I'm scraping burnt batter off the floor.
Is the fancy lady nice?
She's
intense, sweetie. Like a very sour lemon drop.
Hey.
You are the owner of the best bakery in town. You have a husband who adores you and a kid who thinks you're a wizard. If she can't see that, she needs glasses.
I just need everything to be perfect. No chaos today. Please. Ben, the labels are crooked. And why are the muffins on the top shelf? Elena is tall. She'll see the muffins first.
Boss, you're scaring me. You usually dance to Taylor Swift on Saturdays.
Not today, Ben. Today we are Michelin-star level. Hide the unicorn cookies.
But the kids love the unicorns.
They are not refined. Hide them behind the sourdough. Precision. Elegance. Control.
So, this is the Empire.
Elena, you made it.
Are those cookies shaped like unicorns? Those are highly requested items. Local demographic preferences. Cute. I assume you have a single origin roast? Or is it all pumpkin spice? Ethiopian yirgacheffe. Washed process. Good. Make me a double. I've been up since 4 a.m. dealing with a supplier in Tokyo.
Does she always have this much energy?
She's actually calm today. Usually, she's climbing the curtains.
I don't know how you do it. The noise. The sticky hands. You get used to it. It's a different kind of chaos than a kitchen service.
In a kitchen, if someone screams, I can fire them. You can't fire her. No, I can't. No. No. I said the sea bass needs to be wild caught, not farmed. If they send farmed, send it back. I don't care if we have an empty menu. Fix it.
Everything okay?
Fine.
Just incompetence. Everywhere.
So, Elena, Anna tells us you just got your second star.
That's huge.
It's a burden, mostly. Now we have to maintain it. One mistake, one cold plate, and it's gone. Gone. But you must enjoy the creativity. The art? Art is a luxury. It's mostly logistics and babysitting chefs with egos bigger than the oven. The oven.
Why are you sad? Excuse me. Your eyes are sad. Like Mommy's when she drops ice cream.
Lily, eat your peas.
I'm not sad, sweetie. I'm successful. There's a difference. Is there? Because you sound like you hate it. At least I'm pushing boundaries, Anna. I'm not baking cookies in the suburbs pretending that's culinary art. allergies. The cat. Do you have a cat? No. Right.
Look, Anna, about dinner. I was jealous. Okay?
Jealous of what? My mortgage? The laundry? Silence. The fact that you have someone to hold your hand when you're tired. I go home to an empty and order takeout because I'm too tired to cook. I'm lonely, Anna. I'm so incredibly lonely.
We are not going to cry. We are going to bake.
I don't want to cook. I do that all day.
Not like this. No critics, no customers, just us. Remember the lavender lemon tart? We burned the first one.
And we ate the second one on the floor of the dorm.
Taste this curd.
Needs more zest.
You're impossible.
It's perfect. It tastes like
Home.
I forgot what food tastes like when you don't have to analyze it.
Don't go. You make good foam.
I have to go, Lily. But I'll come back. I promise. Thank you. I think you saved my life a little bit this weekend.
Come back anytime. But next time, you're cooking dinner.
Deal.
Don't wait 6 years, Elle.
Don't wait 6 years, Elle.
I won't. I'm putting Visit Anna on my schedule. In permanent ink.